Texas. This is Francis, your favorite amateur astronomer, going back to look at October 5th and October 6th images as pointed out by my friend Danny Wilton. Something interesting, something that needs to be explained, maybe not, but we're going to do a couple of things to see how we can confirm these visuals as something we need to be interested in, something that needs to be discovered about the imaging technique, and or if it's associated to the comet itself. Let's go take a look. But first we're going to upload images into astrometry.net so that we can get a confirmation of these images and where they are located in the sky. What astrometry.net's going to do is plate solve the images, find the stars that it can find, match up, find out, give us a plate solving, so matching these images to star charts. They'll be able to place these images, and we'll be able to discover the question was raised, I'm sure, about, and what I've noticed myself, if this is what we're talking about. This, this, this. My friend Daniel Wilton said, well, these are images from 2 different days. The comet must have traveled a long distance. What are these objects here? Are they associated to the comet or are they not? It is now my goal to discover if they are associated to the comet or if they are like the other light sources in the sky, stars that happen to be what seems to be near the same area of the comet in both days. There's also a something that happens with CCD imaging. I'm not sure because there's a lot of things that we have to look into because I've only seen it with a single point of light, not 2 points of light. When the telescope focuses, it focuses on a star near the object, and sometimes and not sometimes, but it always takes a short exposure, 5 or 10 seconds, focuses on the star, and then it comes back and centers the object, and you have the object in focus. Sometimes it's adjusted, and what you get is a reflection of the focus star somewhere near the center of the image, but these are 2 items. They could be points of light for stars, or they could be something else, but let's pull in a little bit more over here. Oh, I can't see this. Be stars, similar in location, but not exactly. this is October 6th. Here. I'm not totally convinced. We're going to come back to astrometry.net and see that there was a success. It will show us where the object is. It's in the correct area. As I can see here, they pick up known stars. They're able to plate solve it, and they see other objects. They haven't picked up or circled our two objects here. It's got the comet circled, not anything below it. So I didn't get a pickup over here either. I can take these images, download them, and do some more work. Let's get back to the images again. Once again, I forgot the name. There's an abbreviation for the CCD imager to create a ghost image of the focus star, but I've never seen it with two. But see, in this image you can see other light sources that are similar in magnitude as these two items. These two items here. Imaging it again, the comet again, tomorrow morning and the morning after that, and hopefully we'll get some new looks to see if there's any new looks to some of these items. You can see 1, 2, 1, 2. I don't know if they're associated to each other or not. This was on the 4th, 5th, and this was on the 6th. Same exposure time. I see that this is a little bit brighter and larger than this one here. Not saying that they're associated to the comet or not, but the point was brought up by Mr. Danny Wilton to talk about these objects, I believe, so that's why we're doing that. We're discovering if there is something to talk about or not. Interesting. Only so many things it didn't pick up. Potentially, it could be an imaging error. I don't know how to avoid this or how to describe it, or we just keep on watching to see what happens. What I'm hoping for, well, I don't know what I'm hoping for. This video is almost out of time. I did some analyzation. Do not have a complete answer. We're going to hopefully take some more pictures and see if that gives us any more results. Hopefully, it's not image errors, and if it is, we'll discover that as well. Have a great night.